Hello passionate gardener and blueberry grower. Who does not love the taste of blueberries, and if it is a homegrown, they are lovely. If you are growing to blueberry or if you wanted to grow, stick to this video, it's going to helpful to you. And I wish I knew these tricks or information before I start growing the first time, because for my some or few mistakes I lose my plant in the first time when I was growing, and I don't want anyone to face this issue because blueberries are lovely and without proper care the plant may die. So what we need to do first, I'll be sharing some tips. If you see my plant, it's lot of blueberries and they started ripen already. We already pick a few, and it's very delicious and lot better than the supermarket one. You can see they are already ripened, few of them, and few are getting ready, and there are unripe as well. So what you need to follow to make sure your plants are thriving and not get died due to some uncertain conditions. So first, start with the soil. So blueberry is acid loving plant, and it soil has to be little bit of acidic. So don't use the multi-purpose compost. I use the compost for which is meant for the acidic soil. You can see this is the one I use. So use this type of specific soil for the blueberry. That's the first thing. Now about fertilizer, don't use the regular fertilizer like tomato feed or other generic purpose fertilizer for the blueberries, because as I said, they are acid loving plant. Their fertilizer has to be aligned to this plant. This blueberry is not the only one is acid loving. The hydrangeas also love acidic soil. So if you see this sulfate of iron, I use this fertilizer to keep my blueberries healthy. If you see, all leaves are green, all fruits are healthy, it's keep growing and it's perfect. And water is the other criteria. So before moving to water, I'll just cover another fertilizer. I use the coffee ground. If you see this coffee ground is also acidic in nature, and if you see, I already sprinkled few day before yesterday. There are few, just sprinkle over it, and that have nitrogen as well as it's a bit acidic. That's going to help your blueberry plant as well. And now coming to water, don't ever use the tap water. We have few solutions if you don't have rainwater, because rainwater is preference, because rainwater is itself little bit acidic in nature, and that's why, and there is a lot of nutrients which is plant love it. I shared a separate video of benefits of rainwater, but if you use rainwater, it will not hamper the plant, and because of acidic nature of the rainwater, the plant will still thriving. If you don't have rainwater, if you have tap water, try to use some vinegar, white vinegar, to make the water is acidic, but that's also not a proper acidic water or neutralized water. And so water is also an important factor. So soil, fertilizer, water, these are the three things. You can see my pot is not that big enough. I think it's going to be around 15 to 20 liter pot, and you can see this massive big plant with lot of blueberries, and you can easily grow them. It's not going to be a big tough job if you follow this simple trick, and hope you will be enjoying it. Pest control is also important, but I used coffee ground, which is take away the ants. It's going to be better for taking your away ants from your plant. So follow this track, follow this tips, and hope that's going to helpful for your blueberry plant, and you will be having a thriving blueberry plant. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like, don't forget to subscribe my channel if you're new to this channel, and thanks for watching. Thanks for all your support. Bye bye passionate gardener.